A new day means a new opportunity, a chance to take steps forward. Success is in sight. You just have to know where to look. So where's your focus? Quality? Efficiency? Your bottom line? Maybe it's time for a new perspective. Broaden your view with Yale Vision. Yale is driven by people and fueled by innovation. Our wireless asset management provides a comprehensive solution for your entire fleet to help eliminate inefficiency and improve operational performance. At the core of our scalable cloud-based system is wireless monitoring. Accurately track every truck in your fleet in real time through the Yale Vision portal. Gathering this valuable information helps to improve processes, leading to decreased costs involved with material handling and unnecessary lease overages. Uncover patterns in frequent fault codes. Configure to store or send service alerts based on the severity of the events. Receive email notifications with impact sensing, showing collision times, direction, and force. Establish an efficient maintenance schedule based on hour usage. With Yale Vision, you can wirelessly manage by exception. Step up your process with wireless access. Using new or existing ID cards, operators quickly and easily verify their identity while establishing accountability. This customizable solution allows you to prevent access to unauthorized and untrained operators. Establish custom limitations that will automatically shut down inactive equipment after specified parameters are met. Wireless verification brings peace of mind. Automated pre-shift checklists within the system require operators to acknowledge and verify necessary procedures prior to startup, reducing liability and paperwork. All data and documentation is securely stored and readily accessible. Create an entirely new level of transparency with Yale Vision. Wireless asset management for a focused fleet. Contact your Yale dealer today for more information and a first-hand look at Yale Vision.